Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about monoclonal antibodies and what are their application. So before starting the lecture, I just want to do the revision about the antibodies. So basically what are antibodies? And antibodies are produced from the plasma cells, which is made from the B cells. When B cells get activated, it is converted into the plasma cells, and after that plasma cells will produces the antibodies. And what are the function of antibodies? So antibodies bind to the specific antigen and neutralizes the foreign objects. Get it? So now the question arises, what are the monoclonal antibodies? How it is different from the antibodies or polyvalent antibodies? So monoclonal antibodies are basically, they are the antibodies made by the cloning of single type of white blood cells. Get it? Single type of plasma cells. So monoclonal antibodies that are identical because they were produced by the one type of immune cells. They are all the clone of single parent cells. Now, what is the use of monoclonal antibody? Why we required it? Why? Because monoclonal antibodies are used in autoimmune disorders, they are used in cancer treatment, they are even used in diagnosis kit. So when you are using the antibodies commercially, basically monoclonal antibody commercially, in that case you required huge amount of monoclonal antibody. So you have to learn how to produce that antibodies in a commercial scale. So that is a technique which is called the hybridoma technology, which is used to produce the monoclonal antibodies. So we are going to study that. I hope it is clear what are monoclonal antibodies. Why? I'm going to repeat this. Why? Because it is very important to understand what basically it is. Generally अगर आप देखेंगे B cells, अगर single type of B cells, I am talking about a single type of B cell. Single type of B cell will convert into single type of plasma cell, and all the antibody which is produced by that particular plasma cell, that all are similar. What does the mean all are similar? Means these antibody now bind with the single type of epitope. Okay, so this is the monoclonal antibody. Suppose there are two type of B cells, so two different type of plasma cell will produce, and two different type of plasma cell will further produce different type of antibodies. Now all these antibody are not considered as a monoclonal antibody. Why? Because they both are mixed, but we require the single type of antibody which can bind with the specific type of antigen or specific type of epitope only. So which is produced by the hybridoma technology. Now, in hybrid, for producing monoclonal antibodies, we require myeloma cells and plasma cells. Now, what is the need of myeloma cells? Why we are using it? Why can't we use normal cell? Because normal cell follows the contact inhibition, and the cell division that occurs in normal cell are in the controlled manner. And in case of myeloma cell, the myeloma cells not follows the contact inhibition, and the cell division that is occur in the myeloma cell are not in a controlled manner. ओके, माइलोमा सेल किसी के भी कांटेक्ट में आने के बाद भी ग्रो करते रहते हैं, और उनमें जो सेल डिवीजन होता है, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द सेल हैज टू डिवाइड, इट इज नॉट कंट्रोल्ड. माइलोमा सेल आर बेसिकली कैंसरस सेल. तो वो बिल्कुल n number of times they can multiply, they can divide. That's why we use the myeloma cell. Now, why we are using plasma cells? Why? Because we require the antibodies, and plasma cells produce the antibodies. Now हम ये कैसे करेंगे कि plasma cell हमारे desired antibody produce करे? For that you have to take a mouse in which you have to inoculate the desired antigen against which you want to raise the antibody. Suppose that I want to raise the antibody against the cancer antigen. So I have to inoculate the mouse with a specific cancer antigen against which I want the antibody. So after that, what will happen when antigen comes in mouse? Then it will produces what? It will activate the B cell. B cell will convert it into the plasma cell, and plasma cell will produces the antibodies. So what you have to do, you have to isolate the plasma cells. Now this plasma cell are producing the desired type of antibodies only. Now we have to fuse this cell. So this cell, these two cells, myeloma cell and plasma cell, are fused with the help of polyethylene glycol. This is used as a fusing agent. So polyethylene glycol fuses the plasma cell and myeloma cells. Now you have to grow the fused cell in the HAT medium. What is the full form of HAT medium? Is hypoxanthine aminopterin thymidine medium. Now why we are using HAT medium? And आपको सिर्फ हाइब्रिड सेल्स नहीं मिलेंगे. You won't get only plasma cell, the fusion of plasma and myeloma cells. You will get different type of fusion also. For example, you will get the unfused plasma cell also. It is not possible ना कि 100% fusion हो. कई बार ऐसा कुछ cells ऐसे भी रह जाएंगे जो fuse नहीं होंगे. So unfused plasma cell will not able to grow in the HAT medium. Why? Because in plasma cells, cell division occurs in a controlled manner. So after some time, unfused plasma cell will stop dividing. What about the fused plasma cell? There may be a chance कि plasma cell will fuse will fuses with plasma cell only. So how will you remove that fused plasma cell? It will remove automatically because it is also not able to sustain in the HAT medium, because again the same reason, cell division occur in the plasma cells in a controlled manner. So because of that, fused plasma cell will also not able to sustain in HAT medium. Now what about the myeloma cells? ठीक है, myeloma cells, there may be a chance कि myeloma cells भी present होंगे ही, क्योंकि ऐसा जरूरी है ना सारे myeloma cell fused हो जाए. कुछ सिर्फ simple unfused myeloma cells may be present. So how you will stop growing unfused myeloma cell? For that you have to understand one thing. Look, for cell division you require nucleic acid, and for nucleic acid you require nucleotides. So nucleotides can be synthesized by the two ways. One is the salvage pathway and another one is the de novo pathway. Out of these two you require one pathway compulsory. अगर एक भी pathway working है तो वो nucleotides बनेंगे, nucleic acid बनेंगे and cell division होगा. बट क्या होता है, जो कैंसरस सेल होते हैं, दैट इज माइलोमा सेल्स, दे आर बेसिकली HGPRT नेगेटिव. HGPRT नेगेटिव होने का मतलब क्या है? इफ HGPRT नेगेटिव है, HGPRT is what basically hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase. I am not going to repeat the whole name. So cancerous cell are basically HGPRT negative. This enzyme basically helps in the nucleotide synthesis with the help of salvage pathway. ओके, सो अगर माइलोमा सेल्स में ये एंजाइम ही प्रेजेंट नहीं है तो वो साल्वेज पाथवे के थ्रू न्यूक्लिक एसिड सिंथेसिस नहीं कर सकते. नाउ देयर इज वन वे लेफ्ट विच इज द डी नोवो सिंथेसिस. वो भी नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि यू हैव ग्रोन द फ्यूज्ड सेल इन द हैट मीडियम. दैट हैट मीडियम, in HAT medium, what is present? Aminopterin is present in the media, which block the key enzyme called dihydrofolate reductase, which stop the de novo synthesis. So कोई भी एंजाइम, कोई भी सेल्स बेसिकली डी नोवो पाथवे तो चला ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि अमीनोप्टेरिन ऐड है। अगर आपके अंदर आपके सेल्स में अगर प्रेजेंट भी है, डी नोवो सिंथेसिस चल भी रही है, तो वो भी ब्लॉक हो जाएगी, क्योंकि अमीनोप्टेरिन ब्लॉक्स दी डी नोवो पाथवे। सो बचा एक ही पाथवे, दैट इज दी साल्वेज पाथवे, विच इज रन बाय दिस एंजाइम, and this enzyme is present in the absent in the myeloma cell. So unfused myeloma cell are not able to grow in the heart medium. Now what about the fused myeloma cell? Will fused myeloma cell will able to grow in the medium? No, it is not, it will not able to grow. Why? Because of the same reason. Myeloma cells है तो they are HGPRT negative, heart medium की वजह से they are not able to go with de novo pathway, and even they are not able to use the salvage pathway because they are HGPRT negative. Now there is one more type of fusion, that is called the hybridoma. That is the fusion between the plasma cell and the myeloma cells. This is our desired fusion, what we want. Ab, will this hybridoma cells are able to divide in the heart medium? Will it be possible? Yes, it is possible. The reason is why, because पहली चीज डिवीजन के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? कैंसरस सेल हो जो कंटिन्यूसली डिवाइड कर सके एंड कॉन्टेक्ट इनिबिशन को फॉलो ना करे. सो दिस इज द फ्यूजन. तो दिस इज आपके पास में माइलोमा के भी जीन्स है, तो ये सेल्स क्या होंगे? कंटिन्यूसली डिवाइड कर रहे हैं और क्या कर रहे हैं? कंटिन्यूसली डिवाइड करते जा रहे हैं. But cancer cells are HGPRT negative. Remember this. So they required this enzyme, HGPRT enzyme. So from where it is come from? It is come from the plasma cells, because it is the fusion of plasma and myeloma cells. So this hybridoma has both the properties. What type of properties? It has HGPRT positive because of the plasma cell, and they can divide बिल्कुल they can divide continuously because of the myeloma cells. So in the heart medium, only and only hybrid cells will grow. What type of hybrid? The fusion of plasma cell and myeloma cell, that is the hybridoma cells, that is called the hybridoma cell. So only and only hybridoma cells will grow, because plasma cells has HGPRT and myeloma cells follows continuous division. So आपको क्या मिल गए? हाइब्रिड सेल्स मिल गए. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको इस सेल्स को मल्टीपली ग्रो करना है, एंड दिस सेल विल देन प्रोड्यूसेस द एंटीबॉडीज which you can use commercially. So that is the production of monoclonal antibodies with the help of hybridoma technology. So this whole procedure in short form, actually first what you have to do, you immunization of a mouse, the antigen against which you want to raise the antibody are produced, inject in the selected animal. So you have to select the mouse, you have to inject it the desired antigen, and then in mouse B cells will convert into the plasma cell, and this plasma cell will produces the monoclonal antibodies. Here you can see the procedure. Antigen आया, it so B cell will recognizes the antigen, B cell will convert into the plasma cell, and plasma cells then secreted the antibodies. Now you have to do the isolation of B cells. So spleen is collected and plasma cells are isolated. ठीक है, आपको माउस का स्प्लीन रिमूव करना है, and from that you will get the plasma cells, and then you have to use the myeloma cells which are cultivated in the bone marrow. आपको कहाँ से मिले myeloma cells? bone marrow से. They should not produce antibodies, पर ये antibody नहीं बना सकते. They should not produce antibodies. Get it? So this is about the plasma cells and myeloma cells, and then there will be a fusion करेंगे myeloma cells and B cell का. It can be done by using electrofusion. You can use the electrofusion also, and polyethylene glycol also. and there after that there will be a selection of desired type of hybrid, that I already explained you how will you select the desired hybrids. Okay, after selecting the particular hybrid, तो हाइब्रिड सेलेक्ट करने के बाद दैट विल प्रोड्यूस दी एंटीबॉडीज और आप उसको कमर्शियली यूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ you have to understand the application of hybridoma technology or the application of monoclonal antibodies, where you can use that monoclonal antibodies. So it is used for the early detection of pregnancy. जो आपको मार्केट में प्रेगनेंसी किट मिलती है which contains the monoclonal antibodies only, जो एक पर्टिकुलर हार्मोन के अगेंस्ट टारगेटेड है. जब वो बाइंड करता है तो आपको एक लाइन अपीयर होती है that through which you can detect that you are pregnant or not. So monoclonal antibodies are used for the early detection of pregnancy. यूजुअली पहले क्या होता था, जब तक सोनोग्राफी होती थी कुछ दिनों के काफ़ी लेट आपको पता पड़ता था, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस प्रेगनेंसी किट मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी यू कैन डिटेक्ट द प्रेगनेंसी वेरी अर्ली ओनली. Okay, now it can be used for the detection and treatment of cancer. कैंसर को डिटेक्ट करने और उसके ट्रीटमेंट में सबसे ज़्यादा मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडीज का यूज़ किया जाता है. It can be used to detect allergies and viral diseases. It can be used for the diagnosis of leprosy, and it can be also used for the treatment of autoimmune disorders. So, I hope you know what are the autoimmune disorders. Autoimmune disorders are basically what? जब अपनी body, you know that our body recognizes the self and non-self. मतलब बॉडी को पता है कि हमारे खुद के एंटीजन है और ये फॉरेन है, तो जो हमारे सेल्फ एंटीजन होते हैं बॉडी उनके अगेंस्ट एंटीबॉडीज प्रोड्यूस नहीं करती है. बट when body loses this capacity, अगर बॉडी किसी somehow बॉडी को ये समझ में ही नहीं आया, एंटीबॉडी आपके जो इम्यून सिस्टम है अगर वो ये भूल जाए कि अगर ये हमारा सेल्फ है या नहीं, ये सेल्फ और नॉन सेल्फ के बीच में इफ इम्यून सिस्टम इज नॉट एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, your immune system will start producing antibodies against your own antigen, and that will lead to the autoimmune disorder. So it to stop that particular antibody, again you can synthesize the monoclonal antibody and you can treat the autoimmune disorder also. So these all are the application of monoclonal antibodies. I hope it is clear to you ki what are monoclonal antibodies. They are produced by the clone of single type of cells. What are their application and how you can produce the monoclonal antibodies, that with the help of hybridoma technology, and what hybridoma technology exactly is. So for today that's all. Thank you so much.